How to see all saved password in Google account. Let's get started. Launch your Google app. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account where you have stored all the password. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Click on the option Manage your Google account. Different tabs will appear. Navigate to the tab Security. Now scroll down. You're gonna find the section of Password Manager. Now click on the option Manage Password. You will be prompted to enter the password or your Face ID will be enabled, and with that you're gonna find the list of the website and the password that you have saved in this Google account. Clicking on any of the website, you will be able to find the password for it. So this way you can easily see all saved password in Google account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.